Hi everyone, welcome to the second part of the traveling plan in which we will build the travel tab. As you can see, I've already included all the other buttons and before we go to build the travel tab, I just want to add a color to the tab, the overview and travel. To do this, you just right click on it, tab color, and choose whatever color you want. I will choose dark blue for this and the light blue for the travel tab. Okay. In this tab, I want to include the information about the travel information about our vacation. So we will have information about our flights if we travel by plane and our bus or trains if we travel by these means of transportation. So let's first build the tables that will include the information about the flights. So we will have to have two tables, one with the departure information and one with the return information. Before we build the tables, I just want to clean um, the spreadsheet a bit. And to do this, I want to go in the View tab and deselect grid lines. Or just leave it for the moment and we will, because it will help us to build the tables. But I want to add a color to a background color. So I'll choose, for example, oh, it gets rid of the grid lines either way. So I'll choose this color. Okay. And let's build the flights tables. So this is the departure information. So we'll need a date, to know the date, to know the airline. Basically, you include in this table whatever information you need about the flights. Flight number, where from, departure time, where to, arrival time, okay, length of flight, seat numbers, and class and airline telephone number, okay, and of course price. Okay, I want to have the departure title over these two columns because in this column we will include the information. So to do this, we use merge and center. Okay, and make this to fit the information. Okay, double click on the edge on this line between the columns. Okay, and let's just assume some fictitious information about our flight. So let's say we fly, our departure time is on 2nd of March 2015. So this is a date. I want to include this information just to show you how to build the format of each cell, because we will have different information here and different information comes in different formats. So with this in Excel you have different formats for the dates. You have short date, long date. I'll choose the long date because it shows me the name of the month. Okay, Airline, just assume a name, say wow. Okay. You can make this text, even though general is okay. Okay, flight number, just assume a number 23. We'll make this a number format, but without the decimals. Okay. From, let's say we fly from Dublin. Again, this will be text. Departure time, let's say this will need to be a time format. So let's say we fly at 11:23 a.m. This is just, this doesn't, it shows me a.m. just over here. I want to show it here. So to do this, you go in, you press this little arrow here on the number section here, and we will choose time, and we'll choose this format here with PM. Say OK, and it surely does the change. Now it's 11:23 a.m. and we'll fly, for example, to Lisbon. Okay, and let's say we arrive in Lisbon at 3 and 4 minutes p.m. Okay, we'll make this text, and to do this, to make this the time format that we have here, and to gain some time, you basically click on this cell, choose Format Painter, and click here, and now it made the same format as this cell. But this is, it shows AM because I chose 3 in the morning. To move it to PM, I have to write 15. And 15, let's add it again, 15 and 4 minutes. Okay, now it works. Okay, for the length of flight, we'll come to this in a second. Let's say seat number is 2 and 3, and we can make this, we can leave this general, or just make it text. It doesn't do any noticeable change. For class, let's say economy, and just a random, I don't know if this is even a real phone number, just include, for example. Okay, and for price, let's say it costs $500. Now I have to do these cells text format, and this is text. You can see over here the format, text. Okay, and this I want to make a currency format, so choose dollars. You can leave it with decimals or not. I will choose without decimals, and I want this dollar sign to be closer to the number. So to do this, you again click on the right arrow here, and in accounting, no, in currency, yeah, this would you would choose another currency if you want, but I'll choose a custom, and I have to get rid of some of the numbers. This is, you can see here it shows type, and I want to erase some of this information here, and you can see that the sample, it shows me the sample here. So let's cancel this, and choose again custom, and it shows me the sample. Let's see if it does the change. No. Okay, so again in custom, let's choose no. Okay, no. Okay, this is a lot of information here. I have to get rid of this. Let's delete this. Okay, and to to get the dollar sign next to the number, just deleted that asterisk and just left this information, and surely now it made the dollar sign next to the number. So just basic thing, just delete the asterisk. Okay. Now for the length of flight, I want to add our first formula for this travel plan, and this would be, of course, the length of time between arrival time and departure time. So just a basic subtraction, and I will subtract this. Okay, now it gives me the same format as for these two, but I don't want this format. I want a number format. No, sorry, not a number. Again, a time format, but without AM and that thing. Just this. Okay, and now it shows me that I have 3 hours and 45 minutes from Dublin to Lisbon. Maybe that's a bit too much in real life. You can be there in 2 hours maybe. And to check this, just assume, let's say we have the departure from 12 and we arrive, yeah, 3 and 4 minutes, so it's 3 and 4 minutes time. Okay, the length of flight. Okay, but let's say here we don't have this information and it shows me 0. Well, I may have a flight, but I can't have maybe I forgot to include this information here, so I want to get rid. If I don't have the information here, just leave a blank spot here, a blank cell. To do this, we'll choose the if function. So this, if these two are, so C9 minus C7 is 0, then we'll put double brackets, not brackets, these quote signs that actually it shows a space. So if this function is 0, it shows me space, and if it's not 0, it shows me the actual result. So C9 minus C7. Okay, and if I don't have anything here, shows me nothing. Okay, so that's it. This is the first table. In the next video we will continue building the travel tab with the other tables, and I'll show you how to format the tables and to make it a bit more stylish. Okay, see you then. Bye.